In this video, we're going to look at the image editor. We can edit materials using the image editor. To open the image editor, select the material in the 2D window, then go to the context view and click the Edit Material icon. Finally, click the left thumbnail at Diffuse. When the image editor is displayed, we can expand the view by clicking the arrow at the top left of the editor, and we can also drag the editor. On the left side of the image editor is a view of the material. We can zoom in and out using our mouse scroll wheel. To drag the image, we press the spacebar and click. There are 3 tabs on the image editor: Image, Crop, Rotation. If we select the Image tab, we can adjust the width and height of the material, the resolution, and the size by percentage. If we select the Crop tab, we can crop the width and height of the image. We can unlink to adjust width and height separately. We can move the selection area by position X and position Y, or by dragging it. We can also crop the material by adjusting the selection area. If we select the Rotation tab, we can rotate the cropped area of the image. Rotate Image rotates the orientation of the image. Clicking the Edit icon opens the material up in our preferred external image editing software. This will be covered in more detail in a separate video. Clicking the Replace icon opens a File Explorer window, allowing us to choose a replacement image. Clicking the Show All icon resets the view so that all material is displayed. Clicking the More icon displays a menu of different options. Note that the available options depend on the material type and whether there are additional maps. We'll review all possible options. Preview Transparency. When selected, this shows transparent areas of the image. Clearing the selection hides the transparent areas. Use Diffuse. This option syncs a texture map size with the diffuse map size. If selected, no other image editor options are available. This option is useful when a texture map is created in a shape that matches the graphic, such as a displacement map. Use Specular. This option syncs a texture image size with a specular map size. If selected, no other image editor options are available. This option is useful when multiple texture maps are the same size as a specular map. We control the size of both the normal and the specular map while adjusting the size of the specular map. Independent keeps the original image size. This option lets us customize the size of the texture map individually, for when no maps are the same size. Auto Combine Layers is available only for normal and displacement maps of group materials. Where there are multiple normal or displaced maps, by default they are blended by replacement. This means the pixels of the top map are replaced by the pixels of the lower map. If Auto Combine Layers is selected, the maps are blended by each pixel being combined with the pixel below it. Flip Horizontal flips the image horizontally. Flip Vertical flips the image vertically. Normal tiling repeats the image on the X and Y axis. Auto Size matches the print to the shape of each pattern piece it is applied to. Mirror tiling has 3 options. Mirror X tiles the material, flipping every other repeat on the X-axis. Mirror Y tiles the material, flipping every other repeat on the Y-axis. Mirror X and Y tiles the material, flipping every other repeat on the X-axis, as well as every other repeat on the Y-axis. Mip-Map reduces the effect of moire patterns. It is recommended to leave this option selected. Revert will revert any changes back to the original. Rename under the More icon renames the material in VStitcher to be the same as the image file name. In this video, you've learned how to use the image editor. For more information, check out the Browse Bar Help Center.